In this chapter, we'll learn how to override the controller model with a custom 3D model. Select the motion controller object, and then search for the brush controller object. Assign this prefab to the alternate right controller. Then, make sure you are always using the alternate right controller model. To check out the child components of the brush controller model, drag the brush controller prefab into the hierarchy panel. Expand to find the tip component, and then zoom in to see the tip of the brush. We'll use this transform to start and stop drawing lines. Delete the brush controller from the hierarchy panel, save the scene, and click play. You'll see the right motion controller represented as a brush.